feel about first day this year?
Stop asking questions about sixth grade. Poppy, stop asking me questions. Sheesh, Poppy.
How old are you?
Ag!
Where are you from?
Daddy, stop!
Oh, you little guys. You guys.
Don't take mommy down.
So boom, here I am with the fam. Bam, what's up? What's up?
Hi guys.
Okay, check this out. Where's the boom? The heats is back here. Oh, so day one of sixth grade.
Cat's over there.
Day one, and the tester is over there. So how was the mommy? So you are a
I'm tutoring for Elena's CC class this year,
so that's foundations. What is that?
sixth grade,
Foundation sixth grade. I think that's called master's class or
master's
something like that.
class. Yep.
And how many kids do you have?
I have 7 kids. I only see them on for a couple hours on Mondays though.
And how was it?
When we do community day, it was great. It was great. It was an awesome morning.
And how was essentials?
Essentials was good. That's our afternoon class where we do English grammar. We do some math facts for speed, and then it's also a writing course as well. So for in the morning, we do new memory work. We do science experiment. We do art projects. The kids all have to get up and give presentations, so they're practicing their public speaking. And then we play review games with the information that they learn. So that's the part that I get to lead in the mornings.
And how did you dig?
She's pretty excited.
How did you dig day one of essentials? I mean, of foundations.
Tiring.
Tiring, yeah. And how?
And then she was beast mode in BJJ. I'll have to.
What is BJJ?
I will send Noble some.
Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
How long have you been doing Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu?
I'm going into my 3rd year.
Wow. And how old are you?
Almost 11.
And how do you like, or what do you like the most about BJJ?
It's fun.
What's fun about it?
You get to beat other people up.
You get to beat people up. She was beast mode today, and her training partner was Big Poppy. So
Boom.
you have to see some footage.
Yeah, so I'll include that in the vlog today. So the kid was was doing beast mode on me today. So that's when she said beat people up. That's what she means. And she was taking it to Big Poppy. So anyway, we love homeschooling. And now what are we doing now? What is Monday nights for us?
Monday nights, family movie nights.
Family movie night.
We chill and watch movies and hang out together.
That's right. Quality time. What are the love languages of your family members? My awesome wife and our super duper kid both have a love language of quality time. And this is one way that we're able to do some quality time. And then I'm a cuddle ops guy, so I'm physical touch. So this is great.
So that's why he's in the middle.
That's right.
And one of the things that we learned regarding family is that peer pressure is only as strong as family identity is weak. So one of the things that we learned is build family identity. So no matter what's going on, we always have at least one night a week that is family night, where that's what we do and that's what we focus on.
Awesome. You guys rock.